And today I'm going to share, don't let noise of others drown your inner voice. So it's very important for all of us that we listen to our own intuition, our inner voice, rather than listening to others, right? So what is happening these days is that we are bombarded with a lot of information, and information is overflowing actually, right? There is a lot of free information, no doubt about it, and almost I think 40 to 50% is misinformation as well. All right, so why people misinform, I have no idea, but it's happening. That's what I have realized. And also I want to say that when you listen to others, you go in wrong direction. All right, so it's very important that you listen to your own voice, your own soul, what your intuition is saying, right? And how to know like if someone is right for you or if someone is not right for you. And if being with someone give you a lot of energy, right, and you feel positive energy, energize you, he or she is the right person for you. But if someone drain your energy, you spend 5 minutes with them, they suck all your energy, no matter how sweet they try to be on your face, that person is not right for you. So I follow this in my business and in my personal life as well. So if I spend 5 minutes with somebody and my energy is truly draining, then I simply stay away, right? So that's just a personal thing I shared. So what I want to say is that listen to your intuition, listen to your own soul, and in fact in twin flame journey also you know better who is your true twin, right, rather than listening to anyone else. All right, and because this journey is actually so confusing and it's very painful and difficult journey, actually it's not at all easy journey. So that's also I have realized in my journey that when you give away your power to someone else, right, whether it's anybody, all right, I don't want to name anyone. So what happens is that like you lose your power and people misinform you, all right, and so you have your own intuition, and you can make out actually, right, you know what's best for you, and trust your own gut, trust your own intuition, and your soul knows all the answers, all right, and you don't need to follow someone blindly just because someone have so much followers, right? So yeah, also that's what I have realized in this journey also, that many people like they are not like twin flame couple, but they have big following, right, and they do anything sometimes to get views, or so people are thinking they are more enlightened. So the true enlightened master will never say he or she is enlightened. So if person has too much ego, that person is not enlightened, because spiritual awakening is end of ego, it's not beginning of ego. And true enlightened master is so down to earth, and his or her vibe is enough to change the vibe of a entire room, all right? So though I'm also meeting so many wonderful people as well, and in this journey, but I think that's what universe guided me to share, that listen to your own voice, not anyone else. You can take advice, you can take feedback, but in the end do what your soul says and listen to your intuition, all right? And yeah, so I also listen to my own soul. See, like if I create content also, like some people say do less, some people say do more, right? So I know true alignment is when you're truly happy, and I'm truly happy right now, as you guys can see, right? So that's what I want to say, that listen to your own soul and listen to your own intuition, not anyone else. Okay, have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Don't give away your power to anyone, whether it's anyone, spiritual master, spiritual teacher, tarot reader, all right, anyone. I'm not saying everyone is wrong, all right. Some people are doing really good work, and some people have a different journey, right? So that's what I want to say. Listen to your own intuition and your own soul rather than listening to someone else. So I made that mistake in past, that's why I'm sharing that when we think that someone else is more wiser than us and they have more experience than us and they'll give us right advice, sometimes that's not right. Okay, have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Not everyone is your friend, and not everyone want you to grow, and not everyone give you right advice as well. Have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Bye bye, take care, guys.